Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to explain to you how to save Canva design as PDF. So the first step is to simply create your Canva design. So as you can see, I have here this design. So it doesn't matter the file size or the Canva size. What you're going to have to do is simply click on the share button in the top right corner. And then you're going to have to simply click on download. And then here you have the file type. So you're going to have to simply click on the current one, and then you're going to have to simply select PDF. So as you can see, you have two different options. So you have PDF standard, best for documents and emailing, and then you have PDF print. This one here is best for printing. So depending on what do you need this PDF for, you're going to have to select one of these. And then as you can see here, you have different options. So you have flatten PDF, and then here include notes. So basically flatten PDF, basically that means that it ensures that it prints properly. And then here you have basically this help ensure it prints properly. So basically, if you want to can enable these two options, and then simply click on the download button, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.